Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll show you how to get these exclusive Trip.com promo codes and some additional travel deals that can help you save money on hotels, flights, attractions, and more. So, let's get started. First, click the first link in the description below. This is the exclusive Trip.com deal page we'll be using in today's video. The first thing you'll need to do is create a free Trip.com account if you don't already have one. Once you've signed up and logged in, click on your profile icon, right here in the top right corner. Now, click on Promo Codes. As you can see, Trip.com has automatically added several coupons to my account. Right now, I can see multiple offers available for hotels and attractions. Your offers may look slightly different because Trip.com sometimes shows different discounts to different users. For example, some users might get 10% off, while others may receive 15% off, and sometimes even higher discounts. Now, let's say I want to use this hotel coupon. I'm simply going to click the Use button. As soon as I click Use, Trip.com automatically takes me to the hotel booking section connected to this offer. Now I can search for any hotel I want. Let me quickly search for a destination. Once you've found the hotel you like, simply click Check Availability. This will open the hotel details page, where you can review the rooms, amenities, photos, and other booking information. When you're ready, click the Reserve button. Now fill in your booking details as usual and continue to the checkout page. When you get to the checkout page, you'll see your booking details on the left side and the booking summary on the right sidebar. Take a look at the booking summary section. If the coupon is eligible for your booking, you'll see the discount automatically applied before making the payment. So there's no need to manually copy and paste any coupon code. The discount is already connected to your account because you claimed the offer through the promo page. Besides these promo codes, Trip.com is also running some additional travel promotions. For example, there's the Discover Europe campaign, offering discounts of up to 50% off on selected destinations. There's also the Everyday Escape promotion, offering up to 80% off on selected hotel stays. I've included both of these special deal links in the description below, so make sure to check them out after claiming your promo codes. You may find even better savings depending on where you're planning to travel. That's pretty much it. If you want to claim these Trip.com promo codes and travel deals, check out all the links in the description below. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more travel deals and promo code updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.